I just want to announce to all of my Indian national friends and my Turks friends that we have already a perfect timing for everyone because we already have a bad trip and a bloody disgusting experience of all the Filipinos who are have a lot of credits with us. So this is perfectly a big timing. There is a community quarantine. If there is a community quarantine, every Filipino are just inside in their houses, in their home. So perfectly, we will go to them house to house and collect for their credit. They cannot go out. Even if they're hiding inside the refrigerator, they will be hiding inside of their cabinet. They're also hiding underground. But no more problem. I am telling all of my friendship, all of my friends were back on track. We're really back on track. 5-6 is real. 5-6 is real and we can collect all our credits. That is Mosa, the Himantayon and everyone and the Filipinos outside their home and they are also talking with their friendship. No more of that because the President Duterte is telling us that they will stay at home because of community quarantine. And that is perfect timing. So I am announcing all of my Indian national friends, all of the Turco to go out and then find your bicycle and then we will roam around every cities because it's very peaceful. No more problem, no more traffic anymore. No more traffic. And this is really amazing. So everyone and this I just wanted to tell the President Duterte one that this is really an opportunity with us. No more bloody disgusting excuses of all of the Filipinos who have a big amount of credit with us. Then I will go and then seeing all of them are just inside their home singing a karaoke and then if they are very happy and then I will go inside and then I will say I will collect for the credit. Then that is the reason why I want to thank the president. It's very intelligent and very smart. All my life I never thought of that. All of my life I never thought. But now I am very happy and glad. Being an Indian, having a business of 5-6 is very difficult. Very difficult. But now it's very simple. Because of quality, with the community quarantine. All of the Filipinos were very good in hiding inside their houses and I'm telling I will just ask for their kids where is your mother and then they are telling my mother is not here and their mother is telling them that if the Turks is here then tell them that I'm gone I'm not here and someone is telling that my mother is die already so that I cannot collect for the credit. Then definitely I am telling everyone, all of my friendship, all of the Indian national, and all of the Turkey to please be ready with your bicycle because right now we will be having a parade for everyone. Definitely a parade for all of the 5-6 and this is definitely one big step for us to have our credits from the Filipinos who are always hiding with us. Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you very much. Namaste, Radha Samiji.